Enti yi me bubu no eba yi we preach na oyi no wo fa chire ho pie no ko pie life so na abusua say no kan
everybody, that has been supportive with this. And to you, the fans, I owe you, a beautiful concert one of these days because you guys have been, supportive. I heard some of you came there from morning and you didn't want to leave, but as you've seen my video, you should know that Shatta is safe. Your king is safe. Wandon is safe, and I'm home now. And I just want to say a big thank you for supporting, and for being around me in times like this, because I needed you guys, the most, because you guys are the ones that hold me down. Once again, I want to say, a big thank you to everybody that has been in support of this, shouts to Neo Original Wandon, who has been a father to me too, and he's been very supportive too as well. To all the staff of Yoko, you guys have been wonderful. At least I came there. You guys really took me through that rightful processes that, was needed. And I just want to say God bless you. And, to Mr. Ramonacha, I just want to tell you, I thank you so much for your understanding. I thank you so much for cooperating.
And so on behalf of Ghanaians, we on behalf of SM, Yadamunga Masi Bebre, Yadamasi. Pa, say kutu say bam, Yadamasi P. Oh, now Ubo, I was here at this juncture, Yan Twas Wati.